Okay, here I am going out and walking again, and I'm gonna set up this with my raincoat, which I found, and it's gonna be helping me in this weather. So I'm gonna take the bus and go to a place and work with some Wi-Fi available, and then figure out if I can get some sort of payments and arrange the camera for you guys watching. And so many shit on me. The headphones, phones, the raincoat over me. Okay. I'm trying to expose the iPhone. So I hope you get an idea of where I am and how I am living. Fuck, this is muddy. Oh shit. Okay, I think you can watch the street I'm walking on. So I'm gonna be driving a short bus to what is basically the highway outside the beach town, and from there I'm gonna be working with the computer. And since I have no, let's say, no cash flow right now, I'm gonna be practically leasing internet from McDonald's internet cafe or something like that. So I'm for my last dollars, so I need to keep them in cash with me for any emergency, in case I need to at least move around into the city and back. And that's for the next couple of days, since I expect some sort of payment, and manage to live with that for hopefully the full month of October. But that's not working out since probably 2 or 3 months ago, and I'm really short on cash by mid-month. So that's gonna be a reality, and also that I have to pay back some extra things now to keep services going, and also try to sell some type of things I'm not selling, since I don't want to waste some money. So I'm gonna be selling for the cheap some stuff I have for sale since probably 3 or 2 months ago, and that's about it. And I'm just trying to be more creative and also sell another valuable stuff that could help me for paying some debts and collect calls I'm receiving constantly once again from banks, mainly from banks and telecommunications company. So those are things that I expect to have, but I also realize that those are things that distract me, and evidently it's not good to have if it is a distraction and I don't know how to manage it. So that's about it. I'm here at the bus station. I'm gonna be waiting for the bus, and police pickup truck just passed by, and yeah, that's about it. These are my walking with the dog series, in which I usually had Peggy with me. Hey, Rocco! And Rocco, we should give us a what? Yeah, good boy. Yeah, good boy. No. No, sit. No. Sit. No. Good boy. So, Rocco just came from out of nowhere, and well, I was going to talk about Peggy, which the last time I saw, and I need to record that for my log and timeline. She was really fucking fat. That day I also was the day that she escaped from my sister's sibling and back in the city, and I just tried to say hi to her while she was at my door and touch her a little bit while my sister was calling her. And the moment she was so fucking fat, Peggy, too fat. She's not probably going out to sport, to exercise, and probably she's now in a tiny place, just living and eating like the fat sister that I have, and it's a toxic person. So probably hard times, and I'm gonna be trying to see if they are also having hard times, but that's not my problem anymore. So I will figure out what to do. And then that's about it. And well, I'll see if Rocco stays here, and I'm gonna be waiting for the bus. Take care.